My name is Greg Mencio. Dan Spengler hired me in 1991, and I was fortunate to work with him at Vanderbilt for over 30 years. In that time, I witnessed and experienced the incredible impact personally and professionally that he had on all around him. Dan was chair of the Department of Orthopedic Surgery at Vanderbilt for 26 years. During that time, he was a champion of young surgeons, me among them, and a mentor to more than 150 residents and fellows. Dr. Spengler spent over 40 years in clinical practice, and his patients have a deep respect for him as a caring and skilled spine surgeon. He contributed more than 125 peer-reviewed articles to the orthopedic literature. And as a scientist, he did groundbreaking research in orthopedic biomechanics of the spine that has been recognized with several prestigious research awards, including the Volvo Award, the Kappa Delta Award, and the Cervical Spine Research Society Award, among others. Dan's also a decorated Air Force veteran. He is a former AOA, American British Canadian Traveling Fellow. He's also a recipient of an honorary Doctor of Science degree from his alma mater, Baldwin Wallace College in Ohio. Dan has served our profession in multiple leadership roles. He's been a director and president of the American Board of Orthopedic Surgery, president of the AOA, and a trustee treasurer for the Journal of Bone and Joint Surgery. Dan's dedication to advancing the science and practice of orthopedic surgery, his professionalism, and his exceptional leadership skills represent the highest standards to which we can aspire as orthopedic surgeons. To say that Dan's legacy as a surgeon, a leader, mentor, educator, has left an indelible mark in the field of orthopedic surgery is an understatement. And I can think of no one who is more deserving or more defines what it means to be a pillar of the orthopedic community than Dan Spengler.
I'm Dan Spengler, Emeritus Professor, Department of Orthopedics and Rehabilitation at Vanderbilt University, and I was the chair from 1983 to 2009, which is 26 years. I was an ABC Traveling Fellow in 1981. We spent 6 weeks traveling through England, Scotland, and Wales. I served as president of the AOA in 2004. I also won the Distinguished Contributions to Orthopedics Award from the AOA in 2017. In addition, I served for 6 years as a member of the American Board of Orthopedic Surgery. I was elected president from 1993 to 1994. I was awarded the Kappa Delta Award in March of 1991, the Volvo Award, which is a Swedish company, in 1990, and Cervical Spine Research Society Award in 1998. Other awards included the Cosmos Achievement Awards in 1975 and 1978. Those were more about bone strength and animals in fluid space. I served on the board of directors of the JBJS from 2004 to 2012. I received Best Doctors Awards for many years from 2004 to 2012. And I served on the board of directors for MTF, which is a musculoskeletal transplant foundation, from 1993 to 2022. That was 29 years. So I've been quite busy and I've enjoyed everything I've done. That's something I feel strongly about. I'll now move into Dr. Mencio because I think that's an important issue. And he's co-championing me to become an honored AOA pillar of the orthopedic profession. Greg Mencio joined our faculty at Vanderbilt University at the Vanderbilt Medical Center. 1991 is when he started. He served in the pediatric orthopedic group, and that was headed at the time by Professor Neil Green. Greg is now the chief of pediatric orthopedics at the Monroe Carroll Jr. Children's Hospital at Vanderbilt. He's been head of that since 2006. He's been recognized as the Neil E. Green Professor Chair of Pediatric Orthopedics at Vanderbilt University Medical Center. Greg and his wonderful wife, Madeline, have been friends with Cindy and me for years. In my career, I want to thank my great parents, Willie and Mike. I was an only child, so I don't have brothers or sisters to come after me. I want to recognize my wife, my wonderful wife of 57 years, Cindy. I can never thank her enough for unconditional love and her many contributions to what I call our successful career. She raised two phenomenal children who have blessed us with 4 grandchildren. She has hosted numerous departmental events for our faculty, residents, staff, and visitors from all over the orthopedic world during my 26 years as chair. I also want to recognize and thank Susan Lux, who had been an excellent department secretary and organizer of many facets of orthopedics during my years. I also believe that success in medicine, which I still feel very strongly about, it's enhanced by a focus on excellence, family, physical activities, marathons, skiing, flying, golf, traveling, hiking, and a commitment to excellence, lifelong learning, a balanced life, and giving back.